my brother, you must know that none of those petitioners there was NASA. Raila Odinga was not a petitioner in that matter. Number two, I am absolutely in shock because people do not realize the implication of just what has happened here today. You know, everything must be looked at in context. And I am so shocked that it is that easy for someone to actually circumvent the course of justice. That it is this easy for you to actually prevent a court from adjudicating a matter that is of utmost importance at a very critical moment in time. Now, Ken, it is not a coincidence yesterday that out of nowhere, the government gazetted today to be a holiday. And in fact, there was speculation that the reason that happened was to try and ensure that the courts were closed to ensure that no challenge whatsoever would be leveled against the election tomorrow. Now, it was so shocking, and yesterday when Maraga made the direction that in spite of it being a public holiday, that the court would still sit, because it considered, or he considered yesterday, that this matter was of utmost urgency and importance, that even if it was a gazetted public holiday, the court must still sit. I am not in the least satisfied with the reasons or the explanations that have been given as to the absence of these judges. We must see everything in the context of what is going on in this country. And I am telling you, Ken, in the fullness of time, history will record today as the end of democracy and the end of our constitution as we see it. It should be not that simple for you to be able to, incapacitate the topmost organ of the judiciary just because you do not want it to pronounce itself. And when Justice Maraga says that he did not even give a date, he said that a date will be taken later. I mean, and for you not to offer interim reliefs that would ensure that the matter is still sustainable. I mean, at the end of the day, the substratum of the case was the election that was going to happen tomorrow. If you are told in this day and age that the judge is outside Nairobi and that she could not find a flight, I mean, we are being ridiculous.
All right.
Which part of the country is this that we cannot get a flight for a judge of the Supreme Court at such an important time?
Just hold. I hear.